Like, the day I had superpowers, quite a day. The day I had superpowers, wow. So you want me to tell you about the day I had superpowers? Can you handle it? Are you sure? Okay, fine. Like, I'm serious. You have to be ready for this, okay? It's pretty amazing. It's like out of this world. Okay. The day I had superpowers, well, I mean, you obviously have to have something out of the box, right? You can't say, oh, I flew like Superman. Haha, that's very interesting, but no. You can't say that. I need something different. Some different superpower. I don't want to be the generic ones are out of the question. Spider-Man, Superman, Batman, no. The day I had superpowers, I gained the ability to kind of, the day I had superpowers, really. I mean, okay. The day I had superpowers, I mean, if you have superpowers for just one day, what's the point, right? You need them for, I want more time. But if I could have one superpower for just one day, I would probably have to go with the ability to score well on my exams. Seriously, that's the only power I can think of right now. So, yeah, thanks.